My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Causing harm to a Muslim is a major sin equivalent to sins like drinking alcohol, committing robbery, theft, or adultery. There is a hadith in Sunan ibn Majah that mentions an incident where the noble prophet was performing tawaf, circumambulation, of the Ka'bah. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, was present and narrates that he saw the Prophet addressing the Ka'bah, saying, "O house of Allah, how sacred, how great, and how revered you are." After a moment, the Prophet added, "But there is something even more sacred, more revered, and greater than you." Abdullah ibn Mas'ud said he was startled and curious to know what could be more sacred than the Ka'bah. The Prophet then said, "It is the life of a Muslim, their wealth, and their honor." The Prophet declared that the life, property, and honor of a Muslim are more sacred than even the Ka'bah itself. What does this mean? It means that if someone unjustly harms another Muslim, whether by killing them, injuring them, or causing them physical harm in any way, it is as grave a sin as demolishing the Ka'bah. The sanctity of a Muslim's life, wealth, and honor is so immense that harming them unjustly is akin to the unimaginable crime of demolishing the sacred Ka'bah. Now consider the emphasis the Prophet placed on protecting a Muslim's life, wealth, and honor. Imagine if, God forbid, someone were to attack the Ka'bah intending to demolish it. Would any Muslim stand idly by? Certainly not. A believer's sense of honor and faith would never allow it. Yet, from morning till night, countless figurative Ka'bahs are being destroyed in the form of Muslim lives being taken, the honor of believers being violated, and their wealth being wrongfully seized. The life of a Muslim, which the Prophet deemed sacred, has become more worthless than a fly or a mosquito. Killing or harming a Muslim, or causing them any form of pain or distress, has become so trivial that it is treated no differently than swatting an insect. The Prophet warned against such acts and described their severity. He further said that the most destitute person on the day of judgment will be one who comes with an abundance of good deeds, but finds that those deeds are taken away because of the harm they caused to others. Their sins are then added to this person's record, leaving them empty-handed. Today, we have reduced religion to a few outward rituals, praying, fasting, giving some charity, or, for the fortunate, performing Hajj and Umrah. These acts of worship are indeed immense blessings. However, religion does not end there. Islamic jurisprudence divides religious obligations into 4 parts, of which only one part pertains to acts of worship. The remaining 3 parts deal with rights of others. Unfortunately, we have practically removed these from the concept of religion altogether. We no longer feel remorse or guilt over committing such sins, nor do we realize the gravity of violating someone's rights. If a person offends or wrongs another, there is no forgiveness unless the wronged person pardons them. Bribery is rampant, people are being hurt, rights are being usurped, and harm is being inflicted. These are all violations of the rights of others, and every form of harm contributes to this. Religion is not confined to a few rituals. It offers comprehensive guidance for every aspect of life. May Allah grant us all the ability to act upon it. While our eyes are open in this world, we fail to recognize the true value of righteousness. Instead, we chase after wealth, considering money, bank balances, houses, and cars as life's ultimate goals. This relentless pursuit of material gain has made us neglect the true worth of good deeds.